This is your little setup here.
It's great.
Are you ready to rock?
I am ready to rock. Ow! Lily is the name. I am from Santa Ana, so I'm not too far away.
How long have you been serving?
2 years. I just actually hit 2 years couple weeks ago, a couple days ago, somewhere around there. It was pretty recent.
Your 2-year anniversary.
I know, 2-year anniversary. It's so fun.
Hey, she can surf, man. I thought she was a regular.
Yeah, Lily. Here we go. Up and riding. Lily girl.
She's right 16.
Woo!
That's why she's gotten better, because she's been riding a better wave. Now she's going to run it. She knows the smaller wave has a better thing. Cut back, Lily.
She's surfing.
She rides a shorter board than that.
Wow, Lily's got it. Been riding for 2 years.
She's right with the juice.
Hey folks, we've got a flying V. That's right. 3 stragglers. Let's see if they hop in line here. Flying V and I think some dolphins. Hot pink and green today. Look at this bamboo inlay.
You don't have to go outside.
Yeah.
I found this board. Has really been repaired. Thank you, Matt Taylor. Lily up and riding. Going backside. Wearing a hoodie, booties. Yeah. All right. Woo. Wow. She knows what time it is. She's coming in.
You see her put her arms?
Lily's ready to learn floaters. She's ready for a hardtop longboard. Probably that one to start.
Yeah.
I'm Victor. I'm from Compton.
Yeah.
I learned through boogie boarding through a friend, and then I got my first wave, and then I wanted to surf.
That's rad. It's fun on both, isn't it?
Oh yeah, it's really fun.
How was it?
Nice. I drifted so hard, though.
The current was gnarly today. Got a nice in-flight. Another gorgeous day. All right. That's right. Here we go. Victor's out there. Hope we get to see him catch one. A little bit. Clearly, the current pushed him all the way down that way.
It carried me all the way down there to like the next tower.
I feel good right now, and warm, and happy, because I got waves and it was good. Yeah.
He got one, and this is all I have. Here we go, Victor. Nice. How was it?
Good.
I missed the takeoff on that last one, but I got the end of it.
Oh, it took a minute. Each time I was in a position, the wave wasn't there.
You have to be real close to the breaking ridge. Right there.
Oh, you're else a bomb, right?
No, one fell on me. I'm like, no.
I didn't see you, Sam.
Yeah, I went far. I was over there.
A lot of service.
A lot of people. Yeah, it's nice.
What do you think about the water right there? Was it warmer this week?
Way warmer.
Sounds cool. Good warmer.
Really? So you think from like 53 to 57? What do you think?
I think on Surfline it's at 61.
Yes!